Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Malibu LT, dark gray, aluminum wheels. Very clean car. Body's in very nice shape. You have a little bit, just pushed in, just a tiny little bit right here. Otherwise, the rest of it is it's very straight, very clean. Keyless entry with remote start. It's kind of a gray metallic color. 46,000 miles. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Clean. Black cloth. Power seat. Automatic headlights with fog lights. Tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Cruise control. Steering wheel stereo controls with hands-free Bluetooth, touchscreen system, automatic dual zone climate control, automatic transmission. Side impact, side curtain airbags, back seats fold down. Nice big trunk. You can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy and money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open until 6 o'clock all week, until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.